Hi! In front of me is NOKIA T10 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to a printer. Begin by going into Devices settings and tapping on Connected Devices right away. Then select Connection Preferences, click on Printing and Default Print Service. Now wait! Your device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it right away. In order to use different service, tap on the blue sweater over here, go back, and select Add Service under the default one. This way you will see the list of all the available ones. And after downloading the best one for you, you will be able to access it from the same settings. If you see it, just click on it and wait as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!